Hello, my dear friends. So finally, I got the time to start my parts washer, and I think it's perfect day today. So this is video about will be my parts washer. Maybe you have seen the first video about it. I bought it a couple months ago. So let's move on. So in general, I need to fill up 4 canisters by 25 liters, I think so. So it's, 100 liters of water-based solution, cleaning solution. Why can't open this one? So you see, it's not an easy task to start the machine, but little by little. Okay, my friend, so I'm not sure if you hear, but it's heating and it's already working. I filled up with the solution, and let's wait a little bit. I just read the instruction that we need some period to heat up because it should be heated. And for today I'm not sure if I have a best candidate for the cleaning, but I will use what I have because I just took it off my brake fluid reservoir from the 1957 oval. It's pretty bad, I mean. So we will check if it cleans something. I bought expensive cleaning bath, and I'm not sure yet if I did the right decision. So let's stay on the channel. Let's see. Okay, I took out my gloves. Even they are saying that this is totally, this solution is very, how to say, biological, Let's see what's happening. I will remove this part. This is the part of the hose. Okay. No, I don't know. First impression at the moment is, I don't know. Do you see anything? Okay. Let's try inside also. First of all, I want to tell you that I'm not so good. I'm not maybe a professional cleaner yet, because I will learn step by step how to use it. Maybe I don't need to use this one or that one. I'm not sure. I'm just wanna try in general to understand what this cleaning solution can do. Is it also so good comparing to all this toxic stuff and so on, It's my first time I do it, And as I understand from now, it needs to soak for sure. Would be better result. And the solution is still cold, so I'm doing wrong. I have to wait because during the instructions, reading the instruction, I understood that it should be hot. It should be. So let's give a pause, my friends, and I will come back a little bit later to check with a much warmer solution temperature. Okay, so as you can see now, I was like, I don't know, 5 minutes spent now when the temperature of the solution was higher, because at the beginning, of course, the solution when it was very cold, it didn't work well. So, but now as you can see, as for the beginning of cleaning, I would say it's nice. And the second thing what I just noticed, it soaks very well these things, and maybe if this brush, it doesn't take out the scratch, let's say, but when I took it also together you know, I like to work with this dental small stuff, and if I take a blade, the next one, you know, I can pretty much easy scratch. You see some also, maybe it's a dirt together with some rust, old paint and so on. So in general, okay, I do not expect with this solution to clean like, you know, ultrasonic or water blast because they are under the pressure or other stuff, but let's say just to clean parts. And also inside I can show you that, I don't know if you don't, maybe you see or not, but it cleans. It really do something, you know. Still hard to decide. Maybe I will use now little bit my Dremel mechanical tool to go around, and I will clean here one more time again, and let's hope we will see the final result soon. Okay, so as you know, the process is the same. For the moment I'm heating up the solution because, as I mentioned previously, I found out that it's, you know, it's a very big difference. And when I started to wash the first part with, you know, not very much heated solution with a lower temperature, was not so good. And now I will try to wash, you know, another part with a heated one solution, and let's see how it works. It's still cold. I have to wait. Maybe this is, you know, the problem is that, or maybe it's not a problem. It's just, you know, I need to wait always until it heats up. I will read, you know, regarding how long I need to wait, and so on. And also another thing what I saw, that, you know, when you soak it, when you leave it for some time, oh, you see, but it do cleaning job. I see from here now, you know, it cleans. You know, I don't know how much effectively. I use also this one, smaller one. It's much easier for some of them. Okay, this one is gonna be hard, I see, you know. It will take some time. Okay, let's open up, put some also inside. Here is the nasty part. We can see how it goes. Because still I want to learn to use it, you know, on a daily basis and see the result. Oh, but I see already, you know. Of course it's cleaning. I don't know, you know, the only thing is maybe the expectation is always that it should clean faster, better, and so on. But as I said, you know, it's my second part that I'm cleaning, so it's just it's a still learning process. You see, here is okay, so little by little it's moving forward. So I will do a short pause because I see that solution is not heated up. So as I said, the first probably downside is, maybe it's not downside, just need to adjust that you need to wait more and so on. Okay, so as you can see now here, I played, I don't know, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. It's, you know, it's getting cleaner. It's working. It really works. As more as I wait, the solution gets higher temperature because it really, you know, starting to work. So I think it's not so bad. You see here, it's a corrosion trace from the holder. It's a little bit harder to remove, but in general, it works. In general, it works. So the only downside, what I don't know if I can call it downside, that it's heating up pretty much slowly. It takes some time. I'm not sure, but at least 15 minutes. So maybe, I'm just expecting too fast to have a result. So guys, please comment what do you think. It's up to you. I want to hear your opinion because, I'm not sure what other people think. So it's interesting just that you could share, from your experience. So my dear friends, as you saw, first was example of a brake fluid reservoir that I cleaned. Yes, it's rusty. Still, so because it's, just cleaning, but it looks nice, originally patina style. And the second part was a windscreen washer. I think result is enough good, but of course there is some small things that it's possible to work on. So guys, but in general, this video I wanted to show you my new parts cleaner. If you would ask, does it worth 4,000 euro? With all the solution and all these microorganism tabs, maybe it's too much. Maybe I would evaluate 2,500 with machine, but as we all understand that sustainability is our, next step for the future. So we overpay sometimes, but it's really I can clean it without any gloves. I use them just because automatically, but it's water-based solution, so it's really no chemicals, nothing. So we have to go with new wave sustainability to take care about our land and so on, about our earth. So this is everything for today. Next video I will do about my progress about my 1957 oval bug build, and that's it for today. So greetings from Vilnius as always. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And see you next time. Bye.